Well, here we have an 8V71. Everything's loaded, liner heights are all checked. Just got a little bit of block preparation to go before we put the heads on. Gotta clean in these gasket areas really good. Airbox is all cleaned out nice. So there it is. Nice and pretty. Been at this one a couple of weeks. A lot of time waiting on parts. Having to get the new transmission was a whole nother thing. That added an extra several days to the job too. So hopefully in another 2 or 3 days we should have this thing running for sure. Just the time to put it back together, right? New gaskets and everything. It all takes time. And we're doing it outdoors. We had rain all day yesterday. We've had a few rain days.